guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jojo Palacio, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty. And so keeping that in mind, we are trying out a hack or a tip or a trick, whatever you want to call it, that I've been seeing on social media, especially from Urban Decay's page, but I feel like other YouTubers have tried it as well. So Urban Decay is saying that when you spray the mask that you're wearing with the Urban Decay All-Nighter spray, it will make it so your makeup doesn't transfer. So if you'd like to see what happens during this video tutorial, keep on watching for sure. However, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you're new on my channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday of the week. That means 3 videos a week for you, more of us time. And I do things like this. I do esthetician stuff. If you guys don't know, I am an esthetician. I've been a makeup artist with Sephora for years, as well as, you know, I'm an educator at heart, so I kind of really like to go into detail about everything makeup related, skincare related, fashion. Don't really judge me on my hair because I'm not a hair person. I live in Florida and it's humid and it's hot, and this is what I got for you. So you won't see many hair tutorials. However, what you will see is good. Let me stop being silly and let's try. This is gonna be a very quick, short video. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. So I've got a full face of makeup. If you wanna see this tutorial, I'll link it, I was gonna say below, but I'll link it above. It is a very simple, easy, everyday, work appropriate makeup tutorial, but it's glam. And what makes it super glam is just the mascara, the lashes. So super easy, check that out if you want a simple fall inspired makeup look. But yes, so I have a regular face mask, it's a surgical mask, and what I'm gonna do is I've sprayed my face already with the Urban Decay setting spray. I went out, wore a mask, it did transfer onto the mask with just spraying it on my face. However, what I'm gonna do is spray it on the mask, so you're gonna watch me do this. I don't know how many times I'm supposed to do this, but okay, so I sprayed it plenty. I'm gonna let the mask just kind of do its thing. I don't know how I'm gonna do with like smelling this. Let's see what happens. I'm letting this just kind of soak up and dry before I put it on my face because I can't imagine that damp it would like rub off, you know? Say something in the comments if you've like done this and tried it, how you feel, or if I'm doing it wrong, please let me know. I'm just like curious, like it's a little too wet. I may have sprayed a little too much on there. I will give a disclaimer in the video that I filmed making this or doing this makeup tutorial. I did put the Urban Decay All-Nighter primer on. So I was hoping that doing that would help with the transferring of the mask. But, you know, I mean, my makeup still looks good. Don't get me wrong. The foundation that I use, again, if you want to know what I use, the link is above. The foundation that I use has been my go-to favorite mask foundation because it lasts really well. I have several tutorials giving you multiple options as far as drugstore and higher end of what you can use for foundations that are really good, but I really wanted to try this hack to see because it's supposed to like not show up here. So okay, you guys can see that it's clean, I'm not cheating. It's nice and clean, nothing's on the mask. It's a little drier now, so let's see. Yeah, I can definitely smell the Urban Decay setting spray. I would not be able to sit through this the whole day. Like even at work, whether it's at Sephora or the hospital, I feel like I might pass out, you know? I don't know what is in this. But I've literally worn it for a few minutes now and you guys see that? The makeup on there, you see it? Yeah, it's transferred, so I don't know. I don't think that's a win for me. It's gonna be a super short video, but that didn't work. If I did it wrong, just let me know. Post it in the comments. I'm gonna go wash my face now. However, if you do wanna know how to have your makeup look like this after multiple times of putting on and taking off a mask, which honestly, I wore a mask to go to a meeting, and then I've like put this one on and took it off, and it's not marked my face or rubbed half my makeup on. Check my videos out, I'll post them above. And that's it for this cute little video. It was nice and short. I like it. I like it. If you guys liked it too, hit the thumbs up button, share with your friends. Sorry the hack didn't work. I was expecting it not to work, but you know, you're always hopeful because why not? But love you guys, bless you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.